Hmm. Hello, everyone. Let's start the session. Today is day 15, and we are going to do magically heal your relationships. So, yesterday's topic was actually to begin your day with, you know, have a magical day wherein you begin your day with absolute gratitude and give advance thanks to your daily events. And at least two of the participants, and third, including me, have experienced absolutely great day and very, very fantastic. I had a great day today, and I'm going to actually continue this practice even tomorrow. And I'll see how it goes. I'm very, very excited about it. Today is about day 15, magically heal your relationship. Let's start with an opening invocation. Join your hands at your heart to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Maha Guruji Nele, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. To my higher soul, to the universe, to Rhonda Byrne and each and every person connected to this book, The Magic. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. To all the money that shows up in my life every day, all the time, to all the beautiful relationships, to my physical body, to my clients, to my people who work with me, people who work for me, to my family, to my friends, to my well wishers, my teachers, my students, to my friends, to each and every person, each and everything, to each and every experience, to each and every um, emotion, to each and every existence. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you. Thank you to all of you. I think it's really because of all of you. I'm also equally motivated to do these activities. And thank you for, doing these practices every day because it really, really helps me, also encourages me to do it, to be very honest, because I feel that I should also do it. Otherwise, we all have some little tendencies of doing it tomorrow, that tomorrow comes day after tomorrow. So magically heal your relationships is day 15, and I'm going to read it. Now, it's a very, very interesting topic. I think it's going to benefit a lot of people. And the thing is that let's start reading this. If you have a difficult or a broken relationship, or if you are suffering from a broken heart, or any resentment or blame towards another person for anything, you can change it through gratitude. Gratitude will magically improve any difficult relationship, whether that person is a husband or wife, brother or sister, son or daughter, partner, boss, business client, work colleague, mother, father-in-law, parent, friend, neighbor, uh, anyone. Your relationship will change. Magically heal your relationship. When we are faced with a difficult relationship or a challenging situation in a relationship, it in almost all cases we are not in the least bit grateful for the other person. Isn't that true? If something happens, like if something that happens not according to our plan or expectation, suddenly everything becomes completely opposite. Suddenly you only think of all the negatives of that person. Instead, we are busy blaming the other person for the problems we have with them, and that means we don't have a shred of gratitude for that relationship or that person. Blame is never going to make a relationship better, and it's never going to make your life better. In fact, the more you blame, the worse the relationship gets, and the worse your life gets. Whether it's your current relationship or your past relationship, if you harbor bad feelings toward another person, if you harbor bad feelings towards another person, Practicing gratitude will eliminate those feelings. Why would you want to remove your bad feelings about another person? That's exactly what even I'm thinking. Why do I have to do that? Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone. You are the one who gets burnt, definitely. Not first or after, but you are the one who gets burnt first, definitely. Gautam Buddha, founder of Buddhism. Bad feelings about another person burn your life, but gratitude will eliminate them. For example, if you have an ex-partner who is connected to you through your children and the relationship isn't good, look at your children's faces and realize that they wouldn't be alive if it wasn't for your ex-partner. So if you have an ex-partner who's connected to you through your children and the relationship isn't good, look at your children's faces and realize that they would not be alive if it wasn't for your ex-partner. Your children's life are one of the most precious gifts you have. Look at your children and give thanks to your ex-partner for their lives every single day, as well as bringing peace and harmony to the relationship. Through your example, you will be teaching your children the greatest tool for your life, which is gratitude. Or if you are suffering from a broken heart or grief due to the relationship having ended, you can use gratitude's magical power to transform your pain. Gratitude magically transforms emotional pain into healing and happiness faster than anything else. And the story of my parents is a perfect example of that. My mother and my father fell in love with each other virtually at first sight. From the moment they met, they were truly grateful to be with each other, and they had the most beautiful marriage I have ever seen in my life. When my father died, my mother understandably suffered from enormous grief. After months of suffering, she began to use gratitude's magical power, and despite her immense grief and pain, she looked for things to be grateful for. She began with the past and she recalled all the wonderful times of happiness she had received through the decades with my father. Then she took the next big step and looked for things to be grateful for in future. One by one, she found them. She found or remembered things she had always wanted to do but didn't have time to do when my father was alive. And with the courageous step of gratitude, opportunities to fulfill her dreams magically poured in, and her life became rich with happiness again. The magical power of gratitude gave my mother a new life. For today's magical practice, you are going to look for the hot coal that is burning your life and then literally turn it into gold through gratitude. Choose one difficult, problematic, and broken relationship that you want to improve. It doesn't matter whether the person is currently in your life or not, or it's in the past, or the person is no longer living. Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you are grateful for about the person you have chosen. Think back through the history of the relationship and list the great things about the person or the great things you've received from the relationship. The easiest way to do this is to think back on the way things were before relationship deteriorated or ended. So you start from the beginning towards the end of the relationship. If the relationship was never ever good, then think hard about any good qualities in the person because they are there. The magical practice is not about who is right or wrong. No matter what you feel someone has done to you, no matter what someone said or didn't do, you can magically heal the relationship. And you don't need another person in order to heal it. There is gold in every relationship, even the difficult ones. And to bring riches to all your relationship and your life, you have to find the gold. As you dig and discover a nugget of gold, write it down. Address the person by name and express your sentence in gratitude. Name, I'm grateful for dash. For example, Paul, I'm grateful for our time together while our marriage did end. I learned a lot. I'm so much wiser today, and I use what I learned for our marriage in many of my relationships today. Paul, I'm grateful for our children. The joy I revive from the everyday could not be without you. Paul, I'm grateful to you for the hard work and long hours you put in our support family. Paul, I'm grateful for your support when I went through a difficult time of grief and loss. Paul, I'm grateful that you want to continue to be a father to our children. Paul, I'm grateful for your support and the time you want to give to our children, etc., etc., etc. By the time you've finished your gratitude list of 10 things, you should feel much better about the person and the relationship. The ultimate point you want to reach is where you don't have any bad feelings towards the person anymore, because it's your life that is harmed by those feelings. Every relationship is different, and if need be, you may choose to repeat this magical practice for a couple of days, several days, until you reach a point of absolute gratitude, absolute gratification, and gratefulness. If you are using gratitude's magical power to improve a current relationship, you will see the relationship begin to change miraculously before your eyes, probably on day one. It only takes one person to magically change a relationship through gratitude, but it is the person who uses gratitude who receives the benefit in their whole life. If you choose a past relationship where you are not in contact with the person anymore, you will feel a place and happiness fill you. In the future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use this magical practice immediately. That is the end of today's session. Tomorrow's session is magic and miracles in health. So what you need to do is, before you go to bed tonight, you need to hold your magic rock and express absolute gratitude of the one best thing that happened to in your day to day. Tomorrow, start with this the practice of having a magical day. It takes less than 5 minutes. Firstly, get up, everything you see for the next 5 minutes, be grateful. Then divide your days into the events that you foresee or you want to do. Have that advanced gratitude for them. And before sleeping tonight or tomorrow in the morning, just recall one relationship which is in the past or in the present, or you have seen, keep on seeing in the future, and write 10 things that you are grateful about in that relationship. Also, do not forget to write the 10 grateful things, 10 separately grateful things for tomorrow. And get a vision board. Please get a vision board. Mine is already in place. And that's it. I hope you're really enjoying these sessions. I am really enjoying. People are enjoying. People are benefiting. I just want all the 300 of us to benefit and experience absolute gratitude. So thank you for joining, and let's talk tomorrow about magical health. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Jacob Lord Mahaguruji Meling, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy master saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. Thank you, universe, all the solar logos, planets, astronomy, all the stars, devis, devas, sun and the moon, each and every being experience. Thank you, Rhonda Byrne. Thank you, each and every person connected to the magic. Thank you.